In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox account password. If you've been meaning to update your password for better security or simply want a fresh start, I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick so you can get it done with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Dropbox.com. This is the official website where all account settings live. If you like, double check that the address bar shows the secure site before you proceed. Once you're there, sign into your account the way you normally do so you can access your settings. After you're logged in, look for your avatar. It's the small circle showing your profile picture or your initials. Depending on your view, you'll typically find it in the top right corner of the page, and in some layouts it may appear in the bottom left. Click that avatar to open your account menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various parts of your account. Across the top, you'll see different tabs. Click the Security tab to get to the password options. On the security page, find and click Change Password. This opens the form you'll use to update your credentials. You'll be asked to enter your current password first. This is a safety check to make sure the person making the change is really you. Then type your new password and type it again to confirm. Entering it twice helps catch any typos, so your next sign-in is smooth. When choosing your new password, aim for something strong and unique. A good approach is to use a longer passphrase or a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that you don't use on other sites. Avoid common words or easily guessed details. Take a moment to type carefully and make sure the two new entries match exactly. Once everything looks good, click Change Password to save your update. Give it a second to process. After this, your account will use the new password going forward. The next time you sign in on any device or app, remember to use the updated password. If your browser or a password manager has your old password saved, update it there too so you don't run into sign-in issues later. And that's it, simple and secure. You've successfully changed your Dropbox account password. Thanks for watching.